Hi guys, we're the 2Ts, and welcome to our first video.
Hello.
Now, we're doing a waterfall vlog over at my dad's house, which you guys have no idea where it is. You might, from my separate channel, Chow Sushi, but I don't know. So we're just walking down the road here. We're just going down to the waterfall, and we'll just, when we get there, we'll start recording again. All right, so let's go. We're almost there. So once we get there, we'll show you. It's not really much of a waterfall, but it is quite the stream.
It's beautiful.
And it is beautiful. It's very rapid in the spring.
Scary.
Yeah. But
remember we almost fell when we went there?
Yeah. All right. So
Chase, he would just go down there and don't even care.
Yeah.
And then
just like I don't care.
In the slippery rocks. And I was like, whoa, like Evan! And we had like a hot chocolate.
Okay. Well, all right. So we're here. We're here now. Here it is. Here. It's not that much of a waterfall at all, but it is quite beautiful. It goes under this and all the way over to here. Just in case you don't know, I'm Evan, and that's AJ. So yeah, we're gonna go down there and show you what it's like down there. Right, I am now on my way down. Okay, very steep, but I'm wearing boots. He's wearing boots. It's actually raining right now.
It's not rubber boots.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm not trying not to drop my tablet in here. So we're inside the bridge. This is down there. Okay, this is a very hard turn, so I gotta walk through this if you can hear me. So AJ.
Let me take the camera and I will record it.
Well, it's actually recording right now.
I know, but yeah.
Okay, so let's. Okay, you go ahead and I'll record you from here.
You sure?
All right. Yep. Okay. So this is pretty much the waterfall. I'm gonna do another waterfall vlog over.
Look how deep this is.
Oh my God! Wow, that's deep. I'm gonna do another vlog over on my channel, Chow Sushi. It's a different waterfall. Go check that out after this. It's not created yet, so it'll probably be created tomorrow. No biggie. Alright, so you can check the camera. So yeah, just go check that out. He's got the camera now. He's behind the camera. Selfie all you want, but yeah, he's got the camera. I'm sorry you guys can't hear us probably.
It's very slippery out here, so I don't want to drop the camera.
Yeah, don't drop it.
It's a galaxy.
Yeah, it's so amazing. Oh, and in case any of you are wondering, I'm recording on the same device I use for my gaming videos on my other channel.
Sorry about this, I'm just gonna have to get down here.
You know, you can turn the camera towards you.
It's okay.
Right, so we're now pretty much at the bottom. Let's take a look around.
It's
okay. This is not too deep, but the current looks pretty strong. So here, I'll take the camera. You take the tablet. Okay. So we're on our way down. I now have the camera.
It's okay.
We're still going. If I drop it, it's my fault. But if AJ drops it, he's paying for another one. All right. So for our first video, we seem pretty calm for some reason, but yeah, let's just.
Keep going. Remember us being over here?
Here, and there's a tunnel here. It's
finally go under.
We're gonna go through the tunnel
without trying to like.
This is going under the road. Yeah. Sure.
Shoes on wet.
Yeah.
Because last time I was in the summer, we had shoes on.
Oh my God.
And it turns out.
It's so slippery, AJ.
Keep going, Evan.
All right, so we're now in the tunnel. You can just see a little bit of light.
I on my feet, I feel like I'm gonna fall.
Stop pretending to echo. But we're under the road right now. Okay, so we're under the road right now.
Is there ghosts here? Because if there is any ghosts, can you tell me this sounds like Shakira?
Alright, so we're in the tunnel. We're just about at the end. It's right there. I feel like I'm gonna slip, but I'm not. Okay, we're almost at the end, so make sure you don't get pulled out. Okay, it's really slippery here, AJ.
Oh my god! I'm in! I have a hole in my boot!
Oh no, AJ, come on!
And then we have to go back.
No!
I have a hole in my boot!
No, you don't! You should never have a hole in your boot. Alright, now we're on this side. He's got like water all in his boots. That sucks so much. I bet you guys can't even hear us right now. But that's it right there.
These are like my only pair of socks.
Yeah, you can't even see him right now. Okay, this is so freaking slippery. Like, look at my feet right now. I feel like I'm getting pulled in. Like, AJ, you're standing on the sides. And I'm getting pulled in here. Alright, so there's the little waterfall out under the road. If you can even hear me. And AJ, we're just gonna go back now, I guess, because AJ's got his boots all wet. Alright, so turn around.
I think we should wrap the video up here.
Okay. Oh God, help. Okay, let's go back, AJ, and then we'll wrap up the video.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna go back, and we'll wrap up the video from there, okay? Okay.
Bye. The rapids that are going like
Alright, well, we can see the end now. We're just about there. Alright, let's keep going and hope. Just hope. Because I'm walking like this on the side right now.
I'm okay. It turns out that it's just like the water going from above my boot.
Alright, yeah, I know, I saw. Alright, now we're out here.
Oh, the water's nice and warm right
Once again, it's beautiful out, but it's raining. So we're gonna go back up there, record under the bridge, and then go back up top and wrap it up.
That was brutal.
Okay. Okay, Evan, I want you to cut to up on the bridge. Ready? Cut.
The rapids that are going like
Alright, well, we can see the end now. We're just about there. Alright, let's keep going and hope. Just hope. Because I'm walking like this on the side right now.
I'm okay. It turns out that it's just like the water going from above my boot.
Alright, yeah, I know, I saw. Alright, now we're out here.
Oh, the water's nice and warm right
Once again, it's beautiful out, but it's raining. So we're gonna go back up there, record under the bridge, and then go back up top and wrap it up.
That was brutal.
Okay. Okay, Evan, I want you to cut to up on the bridge. Ready? Cut. Okay, now we're back where the bridge is. Great editing skills. Alright, we're gonna go back up top and we're gonna wrap up the video. Okay? Whoa, I almost fell. Alright, so we're gonna go back. Okay, I'm almost back up at the top. Okay, that was brutal. That was absolutely quite the place, but wow, holy crap. So that's what we were supposed to check out, but we didn't.
Who?
We were supposed to check out that, but we didn't. Well, do you want to go back down? Let's go down there.
No.
Okay.
No.
No?
No.
Alright. Well then, thanks for watching this video. Go check out my other channel, Chow Sushi. Subscribe to this channel, like this channel, and
Catch you on the T side.
tea!